and welcome to the TFJJ. So today it is a beautiful day. I'm midway through my exams, so what better time to come out spotting? I've heard there's quite a few exciting things around today, obviously because of the weather probably. There's a Ford GT circulating, F12 TDF, Ferrari Aperta, so hopefully if we can catch one or two of them, then it'll be a really, really successful day. So first off, we've got this absolutely stunning Ford GT. Finished in dark blue. I don't know if I've seen another one in this colour without the stripes. It's the 2004 model. I think it just looks absolutely awesome in this colour. Such good generation of supercars, 2004, 2005, with the Ferrari Enzo, Porsche Carrera GT, McLaren SLR, and obviously this thing with this massive V8, capable of around 205 miles an hour. So that's a very good start to the day. So this is awesome. We've got a Bugatti Veyron, which obviously used to be the world's fastest car, hitting 252 miles an hour. Just kind of parked up here in Mayfair. Unfortunately, it's got a big sticker on the side, but this car is absolutely phenomenal. Been lucky to go in this exact car. I'll have a video of that up soon. But this is actually two shades of blue, this car. Got the really dark blue at the back and the lighter blue at the front. Just show you this engine bay, which is absolutely insane. 16 cylinders. Right, so we've just heard that there's a yellow Zonda F in town. We basically missed it, but we're hoping that we can catch it in Knightsbridge again. So I'm here in the car with Johnny Pierce, JME Supercars, and 458 MRP.
Move!
Right, we need these pedestrians to move out of the way. We've got to be very quick to intercept this going back through Knightsbridge.
Well, it's lying. Got through the milli rock.
Very calm en route to the Zonda.
You're not putting that my milli rocket. We need.
What is he doing?
Bitch, get out the way.
Yeah, get out of the way. Okay, we've got about 2 minutes till we get to Sloane Street. Hopefully we catch it.
What a beautiful city.
Sound's just gone.
So the owner's currently live streaming and we're trying to find him through the live stream.
Lion!
But it's moving too quickly. We're stuck in traffic at the red light. It's not an ideal situation. We're all getting a bit agitated.
Just over here.
Obviously we don't know where we're going.
Getting ready in case it comes past.
The dirtiest illegal U-turn is about to
Got
happen.
the camera at the wheel, it's all coming out.
Once the camera's on the windows.
So they're still at the gates and lights. We could just jump out.
Hopefully we...
Well.
Stopping by my little really
Right, it's coming up
We're
here.
going to his house.
Say hi to my security, everyone.
They're going to come up here. And that's how it's done, boys.
Oh, we could have asked him for a shoot. To be fair, we nailed that.
Oh, I'm not going to do my camera while this comes up.
Are we just going to follow him?
Yeah.
Yeah. He said that the plate's falling off.
Yeah.
That's why he got out then.
It's live streaming us.
Get that live stream.
I'm not even watching the live stream now, to be fair. He is live streaming us, isn't he?
Well, who needs the live stream when it's in front of us?
I know, but
What they're saying.
Oh, I thought they were pulling over then. Oh, skirt.
So that was actually an awesome evening. I did not expect to see that Zonda F when I was just 25. I think it might even be the Club Sport model as well. And also the Veyron. Like, there were so many cool cars out this evening, especially the Ford GT as well was a particular highlight for me. I've not seen many of those, especially in that dark blue colour as well. So yeah, stay subscribed, keep watching for more.